Welcome back to Lon's Rods. Well, the more I looked at these old Willys chassis and the small Dana 44s and all the old malarkey, I think I'm just gonna make the body the 4-door and swap it onto the Chevy K10 chassis. So that's what I'm going to do, and use the 4.3 V6 with the transmission, 4-speed, and transfer case. So this one's pretty rusty, but still in great shape for being a Michigan rot bucket. It's got stronger axles, stronger leaf springs. Shackles are a little holy on the frame, so I'll have to do that repair, but I think I rather the Willys Wagon go over 50 miles an hour instead of a flat 6. Put a V6 in it, use the same Chevy steering, power steering, should bolt right up to the V6 4.3, and yeah, stronger front axle. So that's the route I think the Willys Wagon's going. So like and subscribe to Lon's Rods. Have a good one. Later.